What's up, you guys? It's your boy PrettyBoyFloyd. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a finger coils, finger comb, finger twist, comb twist tutorial. I don't know what to call these things. I feel like they have so many names, but comment down below what the correct name of this style is, because I still don't know what to name it. So I'm not really going to talk much in this video. I'm just going to let the video play through. I'm just going to let you guys watch the process, and I'll let you guys see the results in the end, because basically all I had to do is just stand here. I don't know what kind of gel that she's using, so just in case if you guys want to ask me what kind of gel she's using, I have no idea. But as you can see, essentially she's just putting the gel in my hair, separating it, and just taking the comb and simply just twisting it. And I feel like it's that easy. I sure as hell wouldn't do it by myself, because my hands would hurt and it would take way too long. So I definitely just went to my hairstylist, paid her to do it, and just got it done that way. The whole thing actually didn't take that long. I would have to say maybe less than an hour, not including the hair drying. So yeah, I would say about 45 minutes. I'm gonna quit talking. I'm gonna just let the video play through, and I'm gonna just let you guys watch the video. So after the twists are done, I'm just going to sit underneath the hair dryer for about 15 minutes, and that's it. I'm about to show you guys some of the pictures of the final result. Hope you guys like this video. If you aren't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Also comment down below and give this video a thumbs up if you like the hairstyle. I will catch you guys next time. Peace.
But I think you